for ourselves. So you've been very patient. And as you can see, nothing can stop us. There was no mic stand, but we have this kind of impromptu mic stand that is working. You know? So first of all, I must say that I'm very pleased to be here to be celebrating with Farmer. But I call him Farmer. There's one story like this year. Farmer always bought some food and he'd never take any money each year. One year he said, still, you could come to the farm. And I went to the farm, and from then on, I've got an allotment in London. So let's give Farmer, and it's very strong. We should continue this process. Plant a good seed, not just for yourself, but for the other people in the neighborhood.
I'm sounding like a preacher man, but still I am planting some seeds. I'm planting some seeds now. They shall grow up to the fruit trees. Wasting my time, still I am planting some seed. I'm sounding like a preacher man, still I am planting some seed. From the soil now, I might not live to get no fruit from the I'm sounding like a preacher man, still I am planting some seed. We need more planters, not only reapers. Do it replenish our crop. Don't you know that? Planting these seeds now, so they shall grow up to the fruit trees. Some people say that I've been wasting my time, but today still I am planting some seeds. I'm sounding like a preacher man. I'm sounding like a preacher man, still I am planting some seed. I'm sounding like a preacher man, still I am planting some. Still I am planting some seed. Yeah, so I want to encourage you to keep on planting a seed. And when others cannot see the sense in it, you just tend to it. But when it is good enough. So keep on planting a good seed. See it? One